Hello, in front of me I've got MiVue 812 dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to install SD card and how to format it. Firstly, to install SD card you have to take a look at the bottom of the camera. Right here we've got the SD card slot. Simply push your SD card facing front to this slot until you hear click. Now connect it to power supply.
Welcome.
And to format SD card, go to menu, scroll all the way down and select format. Confirm, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.